Road signs are the reason many new drivers pass the DMV driving test, and if you memorize these 40 US road signs, success is guaranteed. Let's jump in. This road sign is A. Stop sign ahead. B. Yield sign ahead. Good observation. That is the stop sign ahead. Guess this traffic sign. A. End of a pedestrian zone. B. No pedestrians crossing. Correct. It is the no pedestrians crossing sign. What is this road sign? A. School bus stop ahead. B. Bus station. Excellent. It is the school bus stop ahead sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Traffic signal photo enforced. B. Traffic light ahead. Nicely done. It is the traffic light ahead sign. Guess this road sign. A. Slow-moving vehicles. B. Steep grade hill percentage. Good observation. That's the steep grade hill percentage sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Truck entrance. B. Truck route sign. Correct. It is the truck entrance sign. What is this road sign? A. Dip sign. B. Uneven surface. Excellent. It is the uneven surface sign. Identify this road sign. A. Emergency vehicle. B. Slow-moving military vehicles. Great catch. That is the emergency vehicle sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Turn right. B. Curve right. Nicely done. That is the turn right sign. Identify this road sign. A. Equestrian. B. Wild horse. Correct. It is the wild horse sign. What is this road sign? A. Cattle crossing. B. Deer crossing. Excellent. It is the cattle crossing sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Keep right. B. Keep right of obstacles. Good observation. It is the keep right of obstacles sign. Guess this road sign. A. Turn left. B. Curve left. Nicely done. That's the turn left sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. No right turn for trucks. B. No trucks. Correct. It is the no right turn for trucks sign. What is this road sign? A. Do not enter. B. No straight through. Good observation. That is the no straight through sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Train station. B. Railway crossing ahead. Well spotted, it is the train station sign. Guess this road sign. A. Detour ahead. B. Flagger ahead. Nicely done. That is the detour ahead sign. Identify this road sign. A. Uneven surface. B. Dip sign. Correct. It is the dip sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Bike lane. B. Bicycle route. Great catch. It is the bike lane sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Reverse turn left. B. Reverse curve left. Well spotted, it is the reverse curve left sign. Guess this road sign. A. Alternative fuel. Compressed natural gas. B. Electric vehicle charging. Excellent. It is the alternative fuel, compressed natural gas sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Off interstate business route marker, 2 digits. B. Interstate route marker with state, 2 digits. Correct. It is the interstate route marker with state sign. What is this road sign? A. Added right lane. B. Traffic merging from right. Nicely done. That is the added right lane sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Bike lane. B. Motorcycle plaque. Great catch. It is the motorcycle plaque sign. Guess this road sign. A. Tourist information. B. Library. Correct. It is the library sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Keep left of obstacles. B. Keep left. Well spotted. It is the keep left of obstacles sign. What is this road sign? A. Crosswinds sign. B. Dangerous crosswinds. Excellent. It is the dangerous crosswind sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Right shoulder drop off ahead. B. Rough pavement ahead. Nicely done. That's the right shoulder drop off ahead sign. Guess this road sign. A. Ramp speed advisory. B. Exit speed. Correct. It is the ramp speed advisory sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Chevron marker. B. Chevron, right. Well spotted. It is the chevron right sign. What is this road sign? A. Vehicle ferry terminal. B. Passenger only ferry terminal. Nicely done. That is the vehicle ferry terminal sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. No parking. B. Tow-away zone. Great catch, it is the tow-away zone sign. Guess this road sign. A. Trailer camping. B. Camping. Correct, it is the trailer camping sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. No dangerous goods. B. Hazardous material prohibited. Correct, it is the hazardous material prohibited sign. What is this road sign? A. Offset side roads. B. Double side roads. Right. Good observation. That is the double side roads. Right. Identify this traffic sign. A. Combination junction. 2 route sign. B. Pull through. Correct. It is the combination junction sign. Guess this road sign. A. Railway crossing ahead. B. Low ground clearance crossing. Nicely done. That is the low ground clearance crossing sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Do not drive on tracks. B. Do not pass stopped trains. Great catch. It is the do not drive on track sign. What is this road sign? A. Skaters permitted. B. Skier crossing. Excellent. It is the skier crossing sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Curve with tangent from side. Right. B. Curve with crossroad. Right. Correct. It is the curve with tangent from side right sign. That concludes today's video. If you want to pass your DMV driving test very easily, subscribe now to get the latest road signs guides, tips and study materials. Watch these videos to keep boosting your chances of passing. See you in the next video.